before, and actually I'm building them, I'm rebuilding them, and that's one of my biggest hobby for about 25 years. And I brought them in here today and in January to show the people these bikes, because they are old bikes, like vintage bikes from 1972 and 73, and one of them is 1955. So it's something that the people can see and enjoy.
I'm 16 years old and I'm a female road racer in Canada. I started racing 2 years ago on the CBR 125 class. I was never allowed to have a motorcycle until I was about 13. I always begged my dad to ride and I was never allowed until I finally convinced him to let me ride in the CBR 125 Cup, and raced for 2 years, and now I'll be moving up to Suzuki Arms at 450, racing in the race regionals and SOAR Super Series.
Hi, my name is Constable Adams. I'm with the Durham Regional Police. Throughout the course of the year, I run a motorcycle safety program. It's called the Team Cops Ride Safe program. It's a program I started 8 years ago. It's an accident awareness, education, and safety program. Throughout the year, I do all different types of events for major trade shows, like the 3 major motorcycle shows every winter. I promote track day riding as a safe alternative to street racing for the guys that have, and girls that have sport bikes that like to maybe ride faster than they should on the street. Try to encourage them to come out to the racetrack and get off the street if they want to ride like that. The racetrack is a safe, controlled environment, and it's up to you at the track to decide how you want to ride, whether you want to push yourself, check out the limits of your bike.